What's up? So, today, December 28th, 2018. I wish I went all in on VTVT, man, because break of high of day could have gotten in at 170, never went below VWAP and spiked to the threes, man. I miss this. I got in a paper trade from 220 to 275, which was cool. This was a $300 run. Um, but I'll show you the trades that I made in real life. So on any, I remember watching the Steven Ducks DVD. I remember one of the things was about if it spikes, can it hold half of its spike before breaking out, right? So I measured from here from 280, or I subtracted from like 418 to 280. Let's see how much that is. One moment. 418 minus 2, oops. Yeah, whatever. 417 minus, what's my, 285 is 132. Divided by 2 is 66. 66 plus the bottom, 285, equals 351, which is where I made my, what line? I made this line. So I noticed that it kept half of its spike. Let me see. I think I got in here in the 3 somethings. Yeah, in at 380, and I really should have played 100 shares, but I was feeling invincible today. And out at 338. So I estimated around here, and then I was like, okay, it's still going. All right, it's touching VWAP. All right, maybe it'll break out. No, crashed through VWAP. This was huge. This was very fast, so I was like, let me just cut it because it broke my support line of 351. But, you know, by the time everything's said and done, it's already 338. And what did it do from 320 all the way to 364? So this made me feel bad, but whatever. It's all a learning experience. And then ABIL. Oh, and let's look at the daily chart of ANY. I looked at the daily chart. I'm really trying. Yeah, so daily chart. What do I see here? I see resistance at 419. I set an alert. It never went up to that level, but I saw, okay, it's bouncing. Okay, can't break this level. Okay, this is support. Okay, let's check the volume. A lot of volume, a lot of volume. Let's see a point where this is no volume, and for like less than a million, it can't touch. I don't know. I'm really trying, right? On this volume, it can't break out. I don't know. So this was my theory, and so I'm hoping it would break out that level so it could bounce around in here, but it never did that. It just flopped back down. So I don't know. I thought you have to buy a VWAP. I really don't know anymore. I set a risk level. I tried my best. If you have any insight on this, let me know. Now for ABIL. So I saw it in the morning. I looked at pre-market. Okay, it's in this channel. I looked at the daily chart first. No. What did I think of the daily chart? I see it's bumped its head a couple of times, like here, here, and here on this line in the 230s. Gradually downtrending chart, finds a bottom, is trying to bounce back up, but there's this level here also of 277. I really should have set it lower because this never even went that high. So like 233. Let's look at this chart. And I said to myself, so we said 230, right? The high was 278. So can't even break that level. It touches something in here. And then this was my alert for it to rebounce. Yeah, so there was like 230 and there was 277. So it couldn't break out. So I said, okay, it's a short. So I shorted from 238 to 228, 30-cent gain. I was like, you know what? I see a trend reversal here. It may go back up to VWAP. Let me cut it. And then I saw that it was supporting here, so I said, oh, maybe this is a buy. But it just went back down. And I purchased this in real life also for 200 shares. And then, so I bought it somewhere in here when it was upticking, and then sold it when it broke this support level. So I didn't give myself a lot of wiggle room because I was trying to save. So I bought it at 226, sold it 9 cents later at 215. So that was around this level, thinking it was still going, or maybe somewhere in here probably, and then sold as soon as it broke that level. And then it's just been kind of confused and weird. And then I looked at VTVT, which I had open in the morning. This would have been great to buy off of VWAP. Like, why didn't I do this? And why didn't I sell here? So I was like, will it touch VWAP again? Should I buy a VWAP? I don't know. I think I'm gonna like leave the computer for a little bit. So altogether on these trades, I lost 93.91 here, and I lost 32.89 here for a total loss of 126.80, which sucks. And if I would have kept it at 100 shares, maybe I only would have lost 60. So I need to stay at 100 shares. And now I'm all like, I thought I knew what I was doing a little bit. Now I don't again. But also, at least I didn't chase. I'm not chasing anymore. I'm using VWAP to see where the stock is in relation to the average price. And I think if it's very far up, it's chasing. So I'm staying away from that. And I also like the idea of I want to buy it here at VWAP, and then I don't know what I'm doing, but I was trying to like be more mindful of risk. So I set a limit. It was too fast, but I'm not like waiting forever, so that's good. So there are some good things, but I did something wrong here, but I was trying to buy at VWAP, so I really don't know. This one has me all messed up. So, but I don't know. If you have any ideas, let me know. Thanks. Bye.